Welcome to OurBabble. I'm going to give you a few brief tips on navigating the desktop site. We've signed up, we're on our home page. Let's start at the top left navigation bar. Anytime you see the OurBabble logo, you can click on it, it'll bring you back to your home page. To the right of that is your search bar. There you can search for friends, businesses, events, groups, or pages within the site. The menu will take you home. You can go into the kitchen table. We'll go there in a moment. Events, where you can create events or follow events. My pages. Cookie jar, we'll go in there in a moment. And the chat. The chat also exists at the lower right-hand corner of the desktop site here. Next, we have notifications, and then we have settings. Settings are pretty self-explanatory except for add preferences. I will go over that in just one moment. To the right of that, we have our hexagon profile picture. Let's go to our profile page so I can just show you about the profile pictures here because they're a little bit unique. The center one stays stationary. You only upload one picture here, but you'll notice to the left and to the right, you can upload up to 10 pictures in here and they will rotate. So other people will see your rotating pictures. Kind of neat and fun. To the right of the hexagon profile picture, we have the down arrow. You all will see membership and log out. Let's go to membership. We have 3 different membership options. We have the fully free site. You have access to the full site, but you will see full advertising within the site. Next, we have the partial ad display. That's 99 cents a month. You have to pick 10 categories, but you get to pick the specific advertising you want to see. And that is where we go to ad preferences. And here on a monthly basis, you can rotate these ad preferences as you like if you are part of the 99 cents. Then we have the no ads, where you will see 0 ads within your OurBabble. Let's go back to our home page so we can look at filtering options. We can see these tabs here, and these are our filtering options. So if I want to see only travel, I can click on travel. It'll filter everything else out. And that's all I will see. Now, how exactly does this happen? Well, it happens when you make a post. So if I want to say, hello, OurBabble, you'll notice that the share is not lit up yet. And the reason why is because you have to pick a category. And I'm going to say that's general. And then you have to pick your privacy setting. I'm going to let everybody see that. The post as is if you want to post as yourself or if you have a business page or you have a group. But you don't have to have that in order to make the post. I'm going to hit share. And if you'll notice, it popped up over here, but it's not here. And that's because we are under the tab of travel. So we've filtered out the general. So we can go to general and voila, it will be there. Now let's go to our discussion group. The discussion group is a weekly topic. It's a question, and it just engages people within OurBabble. And you can see posts from everyone. You don't have to be friends with them in there. The kitchen table is also similar to that. You will see posts from all of the users of OurBabble. You do not have to be friends with them. Within the kitchen table, you can also filter specific content, but you cannot filter an individual's content, but I will show you that in one moment. Back to the home page here, the cookie jar, that's funny memes and videos. Also, this is from all users of OurBabble, and there's no filtering option within this. And then we have our suggestion box. Now, let's look at how to filter an individual's content. If I go to Desiree's page here, and I am really tired of seeing her general posts, I can hit these 3 dots. I have all of these options, but I don't want to do that. I'm not trying to not see Desiree. I just want to filter out content. So if I want to filter out, let's say, her travel, I don't want to see her travel. I'm going to hit save. Okay. And then when I go back to my home page, if I go to travel, I'm not going to see any posts because Desiree is my only friend on here, but there's nothing there. And that's because I've filtered that out. But I will see all of her other posts under this other content. And that is your OurBabble desktop tutorial. Have a great day.